Welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Paint. Today we'll explore the various tools and functions that Paint offers. So let's start by opening Microsoft Paint. So you can navigate to your start menu, or you have your type here to search. You can type Paint over here. Okay, you can type Paint over here, and then after typing Paint, you can see this Paint app over here. So you can click over here in this Paint app. Or you can go to start menu as well. So when you click over here in start menu, you will see all your these apps arranged in the alphabetical order. So you can go in P to access Paint. Okay, so here we have Paint 3D. You can use even this Paint 3D as well. So this is how you open MS Paint. So now this MS Paint, it is a feature in Windows, and it is created by Microsoft company that you can use to draw, color, and edit pictures. So you can use Paint to make simple pictures and creative projects by including text and designs. So these are the steps to open Paint screen. So click on the start button, all programs, and then even accessories, and click on Paint. And now this is the main Paint screen component. So I'll get back to my Paint screen only. And can you see over here, this is our quick access toolbar. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So this is my Paint button, and this is my Paint quick access toolbar. Okay, in where you can get save, undo, redo, shortcut. Okay, so and this is our ribbon. This is our ribbon, and above this ribbon we have, this is our title bar. So here, with whichever name you will see our drawing, that name will only display over here. So currently I have not saved my drawing, so that's why there is no name displayed over here. So this is my title bar, and now this is my scroll bar. Can you see over here? Okay, can you see over here? This scroll down and up, and this over here. And this is my zoom in and zoom out. And this is my status bar. This is our, where can you see over here, 1360 into 584 px. So this is showing the information about what kind of drawing, big or small drawing you have made in your TuxPaint canvas. So now first we'll start with new tool. So what is this new tool used for? To create a new canvas. For that, you need to go to File, and then you have over here New, so you can choose this. So if you want to save this drawing, it's okay. Otherwise, you can click on Don't Save. So you can set your canvas accordingly. And now next is Shapes tool. So can you see over here, Shapes group? So under Shapes group, you have many Shapes tool, many shapes, many kind of shapes. You can choose one among these shapes, and then you can draw those shapes. So the Shapes tool allows you to draw various shapes like rectangle, circle, and more. So select a shape from this toolbar and click on the drag and on the canvas to draw it. So you can adjust the outline and fill colors also. Here, can you see under the tools you have fill with color tool. So you can even fill with color also. You can change the color if you want. So fill with color tool also can be used. And now next is pencil tool. So the pencil tool is perfect for freehand drawing. Can you see over here under this tools, we have pencil tool. So under this pencil tool, you can draw freehand. So select the pencil tool, choose your preferred color and start drawing. And you can also adjust the pencil size as well. So can you see over here, after clicking here on the pencil, you have sizes over here. You can choose the pencil size as well. So pencil size for finer and broader lines. So now next is color picker tool. So this is our color picker tool. Can you see over here? And this color picker tool helps you to pick a color from the picture and use it for drawing. So you can choose the color like this and then you can, okay, I'll try changing the color once again. Okay, I'll pick the color and like this. Okay, first I'll pick the color. And then now if I want to draw, you can pick the color. So I didn't pick the color again. I just started drawing. So like this, you can use the color picker tool that helps you match colors from your canvas, and click the color picker tool. Then click on the color you want to match. So this color will now be set as your active color. Now fill with color tool. So this fill with color tool is used to fill areas with color, demonstrating boundaries. So the fill with color tool or bucket tool, can you see over here under this tools, you have bucket tool. So this bucket tool helps you to fill color in your drawing. So click the tool and then click inside the area you want to fill. And remember, the fill will stop at boundaries of different colors. So now next is select tool. Can you see over here under image group, you have select tool. So you can choose this select tool and select the part of the drawing that you want, parts of the image that you want, and choose the rectangular selection, drag to select an area, then you can even move it, you can resize it or delete it. You can even resize it, increase and decrease the size of it, or you can move it from one place to another, or you can even copy and you can paste it, copy and paste also you can do it. So this is how you use select tool. Now next is freeform selection tool. So what is this freeform selection tool now? So this freeform selection tool, for more complex selections, we are using this freeform selection tool. Draw around the area you want to select. Then you can move or edit it as needed. So you can go over here. Under select, you have freeform selection. So you can select your part of the drawing. And now you can even bring it anywhere. So you just need to freeform selection, just helps you to select a part of the drawing which you want. You can select the shape as irregular shape also. Now next is moving an object. So first, for moving an object, you have to first select the object. It can be even freeform select also or simple select also. And then to move an object, use the select tool to highlight it and then click and drag to your desired location, or you can cut it, Ctrl+X. And then next is copying, Ctrl+X also you can do it. Suppose I'm putting back this and then I'll Ctrl+X and you can do Ctrl+V. You can even do Ctrl+C, copy, and over here Ctrl+D, P, paste, Ctrl+V, okay. Control plus V is for paste. So after copying, you can paste content using Control plus V or paste button in the toolbar and adjust its position as you need. And now next is flipping the picture. So use the flip tool to flip an image horizontally or vertically. So can you see over here? Rotate, flip vertical or horizontal like this. Vertical and like this horizontal. And you can even resize it. You can select and you can resize it in pixel percentage. So how much percentage you want? 90, 80, 90? Okay, 90. So it will reduce. If you want to increase also, you can increase it. So like this, you can flip the, you can use flip tool and flip the image as well. And then now next is eraser tool. So eraser tool, as you already know, human beings make mistakes and even I do make mistakes. So if you want to correct your mistakes, you can press Control CTRL plus and then the eraser size will increase. Okay, with the help of eraser tool, you can erase your unwanted parts of the drawing. It removes the parts of your drawing and you can correct your mistakes as well from this eraser tool. And now next is resize or skew the picture. To resize or skew your picture, go to resize in the toolbar, tools over here. And under image group, we have resize and rotate. So you can resize it. You can go in percentage and select 90%. Okay. So it will reduce the size. Or if you want to increase, you can type a bigger number as well. Now, next is text tool. So using text tool, you can write whatever you want. So text lets you to add text to your image and click on the text tool, click on the canvas, and then you can start typing. You can even adjust the font, size, and color from the toolbar. Now, next is magnifier tool. Magnifier tool helps you zoom in and zoom out. Select the magnifier and click on the canvas to zoom in and use the right click to zoom out. So you're already shown you zoom in and zoom out. So next is opaque and transparent models. So now can you see over here this text tools, we have opaque and transparent models. So when making selections, you can choose between opaque and transparent mode. This determines whether the background of the selected area is solid or see-through. So if it is opaque, it will not be solid. And if it is not opaque, it is transparent, it will be visible. The background will be visible. So setting a drawing as desktop background. So to set the drawing as the desktop background, you have to first go to File and then here, can you see set as desktop background? And you can choose the file. Fill the entire screen the way you want to set the desktop background, fill the entire screen, tile the picture so it repeats and fills the entire screen or center where you want to place the picture. And now next is zooming a picture. To zoom, you have your slider over here, zoom slider. You can slide this and increase or decrease the size of the drawing. So next is creating a new drawing. Save the current work and then you can create a new canvas. Before create a new drawing, you have to ensure your current work is saved. So put file and select new or to start a new project. Now next, saving a drawing. To save a drawing, you can just go to file also, file, and you have your save as. You want to save as picture, JPG picture, BMP picture, GIF, or other formats. So these are some of the formats in which your drawing will be saved. And now next is opening a saved drawing. How to open a saved drawing? You have to go to same file menu and you have open over here, and then you can open your files. Select the location and click enter. And next is closing a drawing. So properly close the application. When you are done, close the application by clicking on the X button at the top right. So make sure to save your unsaved work. So like this, first you can save it, okay? And after you save it, you can click this close button at the top right. So now, quick recap of key tools and features demonstrated. In this tutorial, we have covered the essentials of Microsoft Paint, from basic tools to advanced editing options. Practice these techniques to enhance your creativity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.